If you're looking to host a website on GitHub pages, you're in the right place. I've got you covered. I'm going to show you everything you need to know. So let's jump in. So the first thing we're going to go ahead and do on the left hand side, make sure that you are logged into github.com. You'll see your dashboard and you'll see the three lines over here, right? So you can create a repository through here, or you can just on your homepage, you'll see create a new repository. Now what you'll need here is a repository name. So let us just say website 2 for now, and we're going to make sure that it is public, and we are going to go ahead and click on create a new repository. Now right from here you can go ahead and upload your HTML files. Now if you haven't got an HTML file of your website, if you're looking for one for free, you can jump into html5up.net. There's tons of free templates that you can go and work with. So I've got mine already, and I'm just going to click on upload an existing file. Now it'll take a few seconds for this to upload, as you can see, depending on how large it is. But once you're done, you'll see it gives you a command that says all files via upload, and you can just click on commit changes. Now, again, this will take a few seconds depending on how big it is. And from here, we can now go up to settings. Let's go on the left-hand side here. You'll see our menu. Let's go to pages. And over here, it says build and deploy. And under source, we're going to look for GitHub actions. This page will load now, and we're looking for a static HTML. Let's go and click on configure. Now this will take a few seconds again just to load up, and on the right hand side, if you don't want to make any changes, or if you do need to make any changes, you need to make them appropriately, and then click on commit changes. You'll see over here we can just click on commit changes again, and this will now again just take a few seconds to go through. Now to check what is the status on this website, we can go ahead again into settings. Over here you can see now it says now, so this is literally when it was actually completed. It is now also verified, but we can go to settings and we can go back to pages, and you will see right over here it says your site is live, and it'll give you a URL. Now you can click on that URL or visit site, and there you go.